Do you know that feeling of a sudden craving for sweets? This deep desire that you now want to eat something sweet with sugar, with a lot of sugar, for no reason. So you're doing your new nutrition thing and eating low carb all the time, feeling good, and really focus on eating healthy. And then there is a day you think like, I don't really care, I just want to eat some sweets. These days happen, especially at the beginning when your body is not used to the nutrition without any sugar. At the beginning, almost every day, your body says, I want to eat some sugar, please give me some sugar, give me some noodles, give me some bread, give me some something. But salad, fish, some fresh things, and blah blah blah. But then it's your birthday, your family is coming around, it's just that time of the month for you know what I mean? Or there's just this desire for no reason. So your family is coming around and they bring some cake or some other sweets and they want to have a chill afternoon with you. They haven't seen you for a while. So you're sitting there and like, I'm not eating your cake. This is pure disappointment in your mother's face. I don't want to see this disappointing face when I tell her, no, I don't want to eat the cake that you have made. No one wants that. Or when friends come over, they are not doing your low carb thing you're doing all the time. They want to eat some chips, they want to eat some burgers, they want to order something, or I don't know. So you're like, I don't want to have something like that in my house, so I don't buy that, and so you're not able to eat it. And they were like, okay, let's meet somewhere else. So you're losing your friends. Bye, 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 ciao, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, I understand. Yeah, bye. No, we don't want that. We want to have our family around. We want our friends to be around. We want them to feel comfortable all the time. But you can do your nutrition thing. So when you're now in a situation, 3 possible ways you can react. First thing is, you don't eat anything, see the disappointed face of your mother, see the disappointment in your friend's face, and you're feeling like, oh my gosh, this is so annoying, I want to stop that, and then you quit. We don't want that. The second thing is, you eat what your mother brought to your house. You eat that chips, burgers you bought to make them a good evening or whatever, and you feel disappointed afterwards and quit. We don't want that. And there's one solution. What you can do is you make low carb sweets that don't make any difference, but there's no sugar in it. You can do this low carb cheat sweets for yourself and the others are eating the stuff they want to, or you can do some more and let them try, and if they like it they can eat it as well. So you have the choice. Depends on how open-minded your friends and family are for something like that. But at least do something special for yourself. If you want to eat a cake when your mother is coming, then tell her, well, you've made the cake the last times, let me do the cake this time and we eat together. And when your friend's coming over, you can tell them, hey, you can bring some stuff, I will buy some stuff, but I will also prepare some really cool stuff without any sugar, and if you like it, you can eat it as well. And there are so many cheat meals, so many cheat sweets, so you're not really cheating, you're staying with your low carb thing, but you're also eating some sweets, and that's quite good. Today it was like, does Raffaello exist in America? I don't know. Small coconut creamy balls you can eat, and the other thing is giotto. I don't know how to spell that correctly. These are hazelnut creamy balls. Also very delicious, and for friends coming over, for family coming over, I think this is quite good alternative. So you can put some real Raffaellos there and some fake Raffaellos, and you can always eat the fake ones and the others can eat the other ones, and doesn't make any difference. So these are the 2 things I want to present you today, and yeah. I hope you liked the video. See you then!